my team felt good and collectively self-respect was enhanced for all of us. I backed a promotion for myself and some of my team members.
Yes, it was a double promotion and a 50% hike in my package as well.
Not only I gained 3+ promotions in 3 years, but my daughter is also doing brilliantly in her studies.
I really carried a baggage inside me that, okay, I am leaving my children behind and they're missing out on so many activities while they're missing out on some of their studies as well. Everybody thought that I'm a fool, while everybody else is having fun around and all. I'm a fool. I'm going to bed early because I have to go to office at 9.
When I was interviewed about 5 times by 5 different people, I was a bit jittery to begin with.
I used to really struggle managing my personal life and professional life. I always felt that guilt, and I come from a middle class background, and what I was taught from childhood that ladies should balance, and you have to take care of your family first, make the compromises if you have to. The more I was trying to balance, the more I was out of balance.
Biggest accomplishment during the last 1 year would be that I discovered myself, I discovered my strengths, and I also discovered how to play on my strengths to achieve results for myself, my team, and the organization as a whole. I'm living a career which I really want to, so it's nothing less than a dream come true.
I said to myself that I'm going to be the Iron Lady and I can't shy off or I can't be nervous about this. So I have to go ahead and crack all these interviews. So the Iron Lady program just kept giving me that power and that positivity that I can do it. So I was all prepared for it. I was mentally preparing myself. If I have to take this plunge, I have to do this. The Iron Lady program was preparing me both to make up a professional mind as well as a personal mind.
Once I came to Iron Lady program, I learned something which was totally new for me, and it opened my eyes. I learned this wonderful mantra called leaders don't balance, leaders maximize. And it just took away all the burden that I was carrying on my shoulders. There was no guilt. I was able to dream big and feel very proud of it.
आश्चर्य की बात है देवियों, सच में बिल्कुल आश्चर्य की बात है। ये अपने आप में एक अजूबा है और इसका श्रेय जाना चाहिए राजेश भट्ट जी।
10,500 plus women. It's my privilege to tell you that they have used the platform and the masterclasses to reach the top.
I met Rajesh ji and I was inspired by him because you do work for yourself, for your family, but you're not doing work for other people. And he's doing a fantastic job.
To learn the art of maximizing and winning big both in your career and your personal life, join our introductory masterclass now.